Don't download Hargreaves Lansdown app before watching this. If you're considering the Hargreaves Lansdown app, stop for a second. Most people get this wrong. They assume it's just like any other investing app, but the surprising truth is that while Hargreaves Lansdown offers access to a huge range of investment products, it comes with complexities and fees that beginners often overlook. The app provides access to stocks, ETFs, funds, ISAs, and SIPs, which makes it powerful for experienced investors. You can manage your portfolio, track performance, and even execute trades directly from your phone. However, many users underestimate the fees. Hargreaves Lansdown charges fund dealing fees of around $11.95 per trade and ongoing fund management fees that can reach 0.45% or more, depending on the fund. Over time, these costs can significantly reduce your returns. Another thing most people don't realize is that the platform is designed for those who already have some investing knowledge. While it has research tools and guides, the sheer number of options can overwhelm beginners. Picking the wrong fund or stock without understanding risk, diversification, or market trends could hurt your portfolio. That said, the app shines for long-term investors who want a robust, regulated platform with comprehensive investment options. You can create ISAs for tax-free growth, use SIPs for retirement planning, and monitor global markets all from your phone. In conclusion, don't download the Hargreaves Lansdown app if you're a complete beginner looking for simple, low-fee investing. It's ideal for investors who understand fees, want a wide range of options, and are willing to research their investments. Knowing the costs and complexity upfront will help you avoid surprises and use the app to its full potential.